Today I'm preparing a very interesting review for you, unpacking a very cool mystery box from the tattoo company Inkin. Inkin is a Chinese company that produces tattoo equipment for artists around the world. The company was founded in 2011 and has 13 years history. Let's go! This is Olga Yakovleva's channel. Why do you need to watch my videos? They will help you choose professional equipment for your hands, and you can also get additional information about permanent makeup and tattoo. You help me when you subscribe and like it, and I can share useful videos with you absolutely free. So right now, subscribe to my channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video is subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. The outer packaging is a stylish black matte box. No distracting information, just the company name Inkin and a small motto, art in your skin. Let's open. I couldn't resist and already looked at what was inside. Inside the box, on the lid, as the official website and several social networks of the Inkin: YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. And there is a little letter for artists. We're a young, bold and creative brand disrupting the traditional tattoo industry. Our products bridge the gap between an artist's vision and their ability to bring unique stories and art to life on the skin. We're here to support you every step of the way. Let's create together. Team Inkin. We carefully open the packaging paper. As you can see, everything is branded in color with the company logos. This packaging looks gorgeous. The first thing we are seeing is a black t-shirt in an individual bag, size L. Fabric quality is good. I think this t-shirt for a man, but I think this t-shirt suits me very well. You are already seeing individual box with tattoo machine, but I'll save it for the dessert. To be honest, this is the first time I have seen such an interesting presentation of cartridges in cylindrical packaging. It looks very impressive. Each cylinder has a QR code that immediately directs you to the Instagram page. In total, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 cylindrical boxes here with different configurations with 5, 9 and more needles. Let's see what's inside. Configurations are here. For example, R1207 M1C or R1215 M1C and R1209 M1. There is also different bright stickers for bright, beautiful stickers. And we have 2 more packs cartridges of 10 pieces. 10 1RL and 10 3RL. The both packs are long taper needle. By the way, don't miss it. There will definitely be a review of these cartridges on my channel. We'll definitely test them. At the bottom of the box there is a black envelope. Derm Shield is a protective healing film for a fresh tattoo. There is 5 pieces in a set, size 15 by 20 centimeters. Queen from our review is Rampage Tattoo Machine. Black matte cardboard packaging of the tattoo machine box with picture and name our equipment. Also, it has a QR code to go to the Instagram page. Let's remove the cardboard. The machine box has the same design as the main box. There is a sticker with information about color of machine. Believe me, color is very beautiful. The needle stroke. This pen has a needle stroke of 4.5 millimeters. The Inkin Rampage has a long needle stroke and one wireless battery to work. Inside, the instruction in several languages. One more cool sticker. Lots of foam rubber for safe transportation of the machine. The tattoo machine put in the cool and very comfortable case. It's very convenient, especially if you travel a lot and participating in the conference and master classes. I repeat, everything is done in the same style and design, in the same color scheme, black and green, very stylish. We will return to the machine later. There is a small box with, one more time, with Type-C cable for charging our wireless battery. So, I'm opening case with tattoo machine. Again, there is a foam rubber for safe transportation of the machine. The pen color is very beautiful, royal purple with black gradient from the grip. Made the body with Inkin logo. The first impression, the equipment is weighty but not very heavy. Length is 134 millimeters. A full review of tattoo machine and cartridges from Inkin Tattoo will definitely be on my channel. See you!